Ever wonder how safe your online life really is? In today's digital world, cybersecurity isn't just for tech geeks. It's for everyone. From online banking to social media, our lives are more connected and vulnerable than ever. That's where Safelock comes in. Safelock's Cybersecurity Awareness Course is designed to arm you with the knowledge to protect your digital life. Whether you're shopping online or checking your email, we've got you covered. Our courses are available both online and offline, making it super easy to fit into your busy schedule. Imagine having the confidence to know your personal information is safe from cyber thieves. We cover everything from securing your passwords to spotting phishing scams, all in a way that's easy to understand and implement. No tech jargon, just practical tips you can use every day. So why wait? Make cybersecurity a priority and stay one step ahead of the hackers. Enroll in Safelock's Cybersecurity Awareness Course today and take control of your digital life. Safelock, securing your world one click at a time.